Okay, here I am back with part 5 of alien numbers, and you're probably wondering what this hat is. Well, some of you have written to me saying you're concerned about the aliens and that they might be evil or something like that. So I developed this special hat. I know it looks like a normal aluminum foil, but I've embedded this aluminum with carbon nanotubes, special carbon nanotube fibers at various parts of the aluminum to prevent the aliens from getting into your brain and controlling you. So I'm selling this hat now for only $99.95. If any of you are concerned about that, just let me know. Here again is the alien numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, going around the inside and then going around the outside. It's a base 12 system. You can also count on your hand: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, do. Do 1, Do 2, Do 3, Do 4, Do 5, Do 6, Do 7, Do 8, Do 9, Do 10, Do 11, Do Do. No, 2 Do. 2 Do 1, 2 Do 2, 2 Do 3, like that. Another way that the aliens use their numbers is like this. Wait, let me put it up on the wall. Okay, here's another way that the aliens write their numbers. They fill in. So this is 1, 2, 3 is filled in more. 4 is filled in more, 5, 6 is filled in all the way, and then 7 through 11 are all filled in, but now we're going to go around the outside. So this is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And the aliens will use this system. It's all electronic. You don't have to fill it in yourself with a pencil or pen. You just say it to the machine, and the machine creates the number for you, 1 through 11. And you can also, they also sometimes put different colors in here. They'll actually use the color wheel in here, and so it makes it very easy to see what the number is. And you can imagine you get some very large numbers. It's very colorful and plain and easy to see exactly what the number is. So that's how it works. Here is some comparison of the alien numbers. Here's the alien numbers to present-day Earth numbers. This is our current Hindu Arabic numbers. This is Roman numbers, numerals. Greek numbers, they use their letters instead of what we use. The Egyptian here. This is the alien numbers here. The Babylonian here. One of the Chinese systems here. And the Mayan over here. Okay, I'll post that for you so you can take a look at that. Some of you have written to me asking about these alien spaceship, and no, they don't use wormholes or anything like that. They have a huge cylinder. It's about 20 miles long and about 5 miles wide, and this cylinder is spinning to create artificial gravity. It's on the other side of the moon, and they have a cloaking device so we can't see it, but they live on the outer part, but they grow crops and everything like that. As you get to the center of the cylinder, you get to the 0G area, and that's where they'll grow things and manufacture things and things like that. So it's a huge spinning cylinder, and then when they go to another star system, they just use, I think, some sort of fission reaction. They send this to the other star system, but it takes a long time. But they live in this during the time, and they'll have children and so forth. So that's how that works. Okay, now I asked the aliens a question that I was concerned about is, did you guys come here many centuries ago, thousands of years ago, and build the Great Pyramids? And they said, no, they didn't. That this is the first time they've come here. And I said, well, where did those Great Pyramids come from? And they told me indirectly that the pyramids were well, if you go up the Nile River, it goes up into Africa. It empties into the Mediterranean. But if you go up it and up it, you eventually come to a whole bunch of volcanoes. It's a very geologically active area up there, the East African Rift Valley system. And when primitive man came out of Africa down the Nile River, he brought knowledge of those volcanoes with him and her, and the pyramids actually represent volcanoes. They're symbolic of these volcanoes, and makes sense. And Osiris was the god in the Egyptian view. He was the god of the underworld, and by putting the pharaoh inside the pyramid, they were putting him with the god of the underworld. Anyway, I wrote a book since I last talked to you. Well, my IQ's gone up to 214 now, and I've written several books and several articles, and I created a website which you can go and you can look at these books and articles. It's called, my website is www.earth360.com. I'm going to write that down, www.earth360.com. So I'll put that up here, right there, so you can see what that looks like. So just go to my website and you can look at some of the articles and books I've written there since I last talked to you, and get some ideas that the aliens gave me are on that website. Okay, that's all I have time for right now, and if you have any other questions, just leave them on the website or the YouTube site or wherever you see this, and I'll try to answer them. Thank you.